Yeah, so this is our Adod3 stew, tomato sauce stew. Very true. Yeah, so I'll be the water land, and I can't be not the fancy land and refuse water. F1, Echo. Yeah, so I'm in the water land, a small town near Sindaco called Akple. Yeah, so we are near the lakeside, and they sell Adod3. It's a kind of fish, sea fish or seafood, yeah. And oyster, they say you call it oyster. So a bag of this is, the bucket of this 35 cedis. And Adod3. Yeah, so at the water, black water, in the water region, and this the river. Yeah, behind me is the river, and you're buying what you call Adod3. Linguine, yeah, for Adod3 stew. Keep watching. Let's do this, yeah. Hello, brothers, sisters, how you doing? Razor, yeah, but before you start, if this is your first time watching, can you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn notification bell so we notify when new video drop. Follow us on Facebook as well. I'm still in the water land, Sindaco, and today recipes Adod3 Akple. Adod3 Akple. Huh? In the first one coming to me, I can second one. Adod3 Akple, and the only yeah, Adod3 is like a linguine, yeah. You see that fish, that seafood in the shell, oyster, yeah, or oyster, yeah. So that's what we'll be doing, yeah. Let's do this. So with our Adod3, we need to open them, and to open this, you need to put them in the hot water. So we have our hot water on fire. And we're about to pour this thing inside. So the pot was too small for the Adod3. So we needed the pot. In this tea, we are using our local herbs or spices to spice up the food, yeah. So you have ginger, garlic, aniseed, and groves. These local herbs gives a different taste and different dimension to your stew. Upper height, yeah. So I'm telling you, if I have a friend who's from Waterland or who is an Ewe, let her cook for you, because Ewes have varieties of food. Man, I'm shocked, and they're all delicious as well.
Maybe sand, you know.
Sand. Oh, okay. It's we are here. The inside,
but it has sand. It's when we are wood, dear.
Oh, but
sand.
Okay. So apart from taking it from the shells, you need to clean them as well, because they say there's sand inside. So you need to open up and take out all the dirt and the unwanted particles from it. And see inside. Okay, where then?
Veins.
Veins, okay.
Now, we soon go for I say it's good for human consumption.
So,
and say it's not necessary to
throw it out with food. Okay. Okay. Wow.
It's a penny, so it's
immediate. But the sun and the sun is sun.
Sad, and in the shiny hand.
Okay.
Yes,
okay. What's the name of that thing? Abenku. So there's a way they take out the abenku.
The eye.
The eye. I use the eye. So the eye is called abenku. So there's a way they take out the abenku. That's the eye of the linguine. Let me put that way, or the Adod3. Yeah. So instead of they need to open the what do you call the meat or the seafood to take out the abenku from it. That's what they are doing. Yeah, so this is our red oil zombie. These are red oil. So this is how they chop their onion into the offense and hot oil.
See, normally this is how we do it. We cut it straight into the oil.
So basically, here I think the pepper is something that you don't eat that much.
We don't take that.
Yeah, much pepper. So
normally, a lot of people don't like pepper.
Oh, okay.
So we like to go more with the pakpeshi pepper.
Okay, the green one.
So that one, whilst eating, if you want more pepper,
then
you just mash it into your part of food.
Okay. So we're adding our 15 tomatoes to the stew. So we need to season our Adod3. Okay, so seasoning our Adod3, we added a bit of ginger and garlic or cloves, aniseed and onion. So our stew is also on fire, and it's been like 5 to 7 minutes since we added the tin tomatoes to it, and very soon that will come inside. So we added a bit of the seasoning, the garlic, ginger that we blended. We blended earlier. Yeah, we added everything together, and to give that spicy taste of it. Yeah, so our mom here is taking us through the steps. What's your Friday?
Benedicta.
Madam Benedicta is in the Sindaco land, and she's taking us through the process of how they prepare the local dish. And Miss over here, Kafu, is also a friend, the location director. She brought me to this land and we now add our pepper to the stew. So that's how the Voltarians do their stew. The pepper comes late. So after tomatoes have been added, tomatoes, all the seasoning has been added, that's when the pepper comes in. So it's been like 10-15 minutes since it's been on fire. So we added a bit of pakushito to it. Yeah? So if you like more pepper, then you go with it. Yeah, interesting. So this typical Voltarian food, Adod3 stew. So now add our Adod3 to it, and we season it for like 10 minutes and to marinate. Yeah. So now everything is been added. Man, discovering new food and new stuff is really interesting. Like, ever since I started doing this kind of video, like I always encounter new stuff, and I love it. I just love it because seeing the kind of or the way or the process other tribes used to prepare their soup or their stew or their food really tells you that we all have the same ingredients, but the process is different and the result to some is different. Sometimes it's the same and sometimes it's the same, but it's still great. Since the ingredients is the same, yeah, good to go. Yeah. So we are now adding some salt to the stew. The salt wasn't added earlier because we seasoned the Adod3. Yeah, so after tasting, we add a bit of salt to it to have the final taste. Yeah, so this is our Adod3 stew, tomato sauce stew. Yeah, let me see if I could be able to taste this to see how it tastes like. So very true. Very true. I had it unpacked. Yeah, so our the stew is now ready, and this will go with Akple. Yeah. Yes, we're about to start the Akple, and this is the pot de ca, gazette de ca, gazevi de ca. Yeah, so our water is now boiling, and this is the metal brick. Yeah. So basically, Akple, we first need to make porridge, and this is our corn flour, right? Corn flour, yeah.
Our corn flour.
Yeah, this is the corn flour, and the TZ is millet. So there's difference in the ingredients, but the process of stirring or driving is the same. Yeah, so it's about to make some porridge. Okay, yeah. So
make one out joke program.
We're making our porridge, and this is how it's done in the waterland. Info number 9. Ekekevo Drekpo top radio back kore. And again, the difference over here is that they add salt to the Akple, but TZ has no salt in it. So the porridge is not ready. She will take some aside, and that will come back later, and that will expand the Akple. Yeah, so the corn flour inside.
After 5 minutes of
Stirring.
stirring. Or after stirring, we cover it for 5 minutes.
Why?
Just for the heat.
To come in. Oh, okay.
To come in before we add our porridge.
Okay. Okay, yeah, so the porridge has been added now, and hello, brothers, sisters. Yeah, so we're done with our, what do you call it, Akple with Adod3 stew. And as you can see, this is some tomato sauce stew with Adod3. Yeah? And this is the Akple. Okay, so, okay. It's hot, and the stew too is hot. Fresh. Okay. Hey guy. Wow. So this is the Adod3. This is the main sauce, or the main name of the seafood, or the fish. That's named after the stew, yeah. Okay. Number 9 food is dope. Hey guy, it's dope. Design. Yeah, so I'm enjoying from the waterland, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share, tell a friend, tell a brother that Sindaco is in the waterland, yeah? So follow us on Facebook, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notification so we notify when new video drops. Let's meet again for Shizm and Nizm. I'm out, yeah?